Tuesday, March 17th, 2020, a little poem in special times from my poetry book here, Womb. Abundancy. I cannot be but grateful for the love so poured abundantly into my soul. The way you keep on pouring is as boundless as the sea. Even when darkness is surrounding me, still you keep pouring. Even when I'm at a loss for words, your silence is a beacon. I can rest assured. Oh yes, I cannot be but grateful for the love so poured abundantly into my soul. When storms are roaring, when on my way all doors are closing, when nowhere is a refuge to be found, my little lamp consumed, and to the rim my cup is filled, still you keep pouring. Oh yes, I cannot be but grateful for the love you pour into my soul. Thank you. Have a good day.